wrestling. She was the sport for women. So she's titles.
She has been dominant as the overall record. Can't wait to get to our main event. Let's go down to the ring.
Sky, your time limit is 4 until York. She is one World Tag Team Champion, Nightingale. Her opponent, she is the champion, the CEO, Mone.
Which for the better chin of the CEO, drop kick catching Willow on the knee, and Mercedes.
Anger, look at her jaw came out on display. And
Hints for her challenger, Tony.
She's a fighter, but right now, it just went on the brink.
Mercedes off landing for the champion.
Look at this, he may be out.
Willow returns the champ, and Mercedes kicks out. Starting this Saturday night, it will be Shelton Benjamin scoring night from Arlington on TNT and HBO. Darby Allin, Wheeler Yuta, we heard. And the moneymaker, but Willow, and now, oh!
Champion for you.
He's into the ropes, another lariat attempted, but her feet, Willow changes grip, and Willow.
Mercedes being very, very aggressive, and not in the
Slips through the grip of the CEO. She spent a lot of time in the ring with Mercedes Mone. Drop kick off the middle.
Willow getting
Mercedes down in the corner.
How about her?
Now Willow, the cover, the leg hog. He retreats to the outside. Challenger.
Willow's going.
And just runs over Mercer.
Yeah, she had a smile on her face, but she did, and that may come into play here. All these wrestlers.
Willow returns the champion to the ring, but Mercedes. Oh, Nightingale. And that was a Kyle Fletcher broke the tooth of John into the steps as our main event for the.
And Willow was checking her nose. That was nose first. Only that.
And now cover made. Nightingale bouncing off those steel steps. Willow using that
fingernail, raking it across was so dangerous on many levels.
But handful of hair. High stack on the spot.
Yeah. Thought about what she's going to try to do.
Mercedes leg is hooked too.
In the women's division. That Meteora.
I think his larger opponents. Mercedes often finds herself, I think, as an element of surprise.
Yeah, that's successful as she's been. She knows he's here. Willow.
But Willow using her legs.
Well, that worked. Watch, here we go. The knees again.
Now cover.
Look at the face. Mercedes and anger get the best of her.
Mercedes
biting off her nails.
Well, in the latter half of 2025 for Mercedes.
Charged to let it all retain the rest of the titles.
The big one, it is for the TBS champion, Willow Nightingale. But wait yet.
Can Willow follow up with something? We go back to May of 20 when she was pinned, sidelined her for 371 days.
Mercedes getting back, and now Willow. No.
That was a slug.
And Willow, the only one that came into this with a game plan, went for the spine buster.
But saw it coming, tried to step out of the way, couldn't, right in the middle.
Willow ever cover him out. Darby Allin, Wheeler Yuta, one-on-one, TNT and HBO Max. The Tyro plus Shelton Benjamin. Willow Nightingale staggers up to her sweet, gets an eliminator match. Shelton Benjamin and with a power bomb on the ropes. And there you saw Paige and Swerve Strickland plus Jim Ross this week on commentary from Oklahoma. Long as it takes, Tony, is Willow Nightingale.
Well, we've seen it. You take too much time, and that's what.
To be perched on the top.
Look how much pain overtime here, guys. Here.
With Mercedes up on. Yeah! He goes down hard.
Right on the. Look at that, man. I think mine. And you're right.
Trying to return Mercedes to the ring, looking for a pinning predicament.
Savvy.
Focused. The cannonball burns on the outside.
And
now the Mercedes may be thinking three amigos here on Whip.
Is to
Although fights free of the grip of the champion. And Willow. Tony.
Willow's temper's got the best of her here.
Athletes, Willow Nightingale.
Championship because We could see.
But Willow, ladies, drives the knees. Disc.
A tremendous amount of pain right now.
Yeah, Tony, so is the champion Mercedes that she may have shipped.
A double count out would be a draw. Willow's doing
Mercedes. Not somehow. So
Nightingale.
1, 2, no. Statement maker, no. Statement maker, Willow in 2. No.
Can she stand up?
To her, fighting to protect her TBS championship. Moneymaker, Willow driving Babe with the power.
Oh, what an effort by both women.
For the overhook. And instead, beat Mercedes the other night. Accepted. Spun out. 1, 2. No. Got it!
And this champion, Willow.
To get table to win it.
A well-deserved celebration. Nightingale, who can now call herself as one half of the inaugural.
Willow has made history twice, champ, and the first woman to...
And out come the conglomerate in Omaha, Nebraska, because it's new year.
We're all going to assess that, ladies and
AEW
gentlemen.
Women's World Champ. Very tumultuous.
Oh, yeah.
You got to get
A night to
What
end.
a night wrestling. That's Willow Nightingale, your new the year 2020 this Saturday as we return.